Dear students, Namaste, good morning. This is the 14th part. We are in the chapter sequences and exercise is 9.3. We started and solved some problems. Four problems we solved on the basis of concept GP, geometrical progression. And we are going to start and we will finish 10 problems, which is the first one is, fifth one is, which term of the following sequences is, that is 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma dash dash is 128. That means in this sequence, it is the first problem, A, B, C, not options, they are first, second, third problem. Three problems are given. The 128, the number is which term? That is the question. Okay, now, a solution. See, the fifth A bit. That is, we are given 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 comma dash dash 128. The number 128 is which term of this sequence? That is the question. Here A is equal to 2 and R is equal to T2 by T1. In the GP, R is needed. In AP, D is needed. Here T2 by T1, the ratio, R means common ratio. This is 2 root 2 by 2. 2 cancels, we get a root 2. So R is a root 2. Let nth term be 128. The nth term of the sequence be 128. That implies A R power n minus 1 is equal to 128. Nth term is, this is the formula, nth term formula. That is A is 2 and R is equal to root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 128. The 2 sent to that side. Root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 128 by 2 is equal to 64. This is 2 power n minus 1 by 2. Root 2 means 2 power half. That is half into n minus 1. This is n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 6 there. 2 power 6. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 62 into 2, 32. That is 32 is a 2 power 5. 32 into 2 is a 64. So that implies n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. Bases are equal. Hence, the index are equal. So n minus 1 is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1. That is 13. So its answer is 13. That is the 13th term. Hence, you see, 13th term is 128. Okay, Nana? Like that we have to solve it. Is it clear? Yeah. Next we'll go to the next problem. That is the second one. Okay, now the second one. You see, B is root 3 comma, it is 3 comma 3 root 3 comma dash dash 729 is a sequence. We are given it is a sequence. Yeah. Here, what is A? A is equal to root 3. What is R? T2 by T1. That is 3 by root 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 cancels. So R is equal to root 3. A is equal to root 3. Both are same. Let the nth term be 729. That implies Tn is equal to 729. What is Tn? A r power n minus 1. It is 729. 729. Here it is root 3 into r is also root 3 power n minus 1. The base is same here. Don't confuse. The base is same. Okay, na? Here. It is power 1 power n minus 1. Here it is 3 power. We will calculate. You see that 729. C power 4 is 81. Again we multiply with 81. What will be happen? We will see. It is 1. It is 81. 81. 1 9. Here it is 8 and 64. It's more. 84 is not that one. We will see. 3 power 4 is 81. Once again 3. It is 3. 24. Once again 3. In the 9 and 12. That is 2. 6 1 7. So 729 is 3 power 4. Again into 3 into 3. That is 3 power 6. Okay, Nana? Slowly you solve it. It is 3 power half whole power. Just wait. It is root 3 power. Here it is 1 plus n minus 1 is equal to 3 power 6. 1 cancels. Here it is 3 power n by 2. 3 power 6 is there. So bases are equal. N by 2 is equal to 6. That implies n is equal to 12. Okay, na? It is a simply arithmetic. Root 3 power n. 3 power n by 2. Root 3 means power half into n. N by 2 is there. So here nth term, that is 12th term is 729. Okay, na? Like that. And we will go to the next problem, that is C. Given series or sequence is 1 by 3 comma 1 by 9 comma 1 by 27. Okay, na? Dash 1 by 19,683. Here A is equal to 1 by 3. R is equal to T2 by T1. That is 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 1 by 9 into 3 by 1 reciprocal. It is 3 times. So 1 by 3. So R is also 1 by 3. A is also same 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Let nth term of the sequence be, that is 1 by 19,683. Nth term means Tn is equal to something. Okay, na? What is Tn? A r power n minus 1 is equal to 1 by 19 something. Okay, na? You see, here is, what is A? A is also 1 by 3. B is also, R is also 1 by 3 power n minus 1. This is 1 by 19,683 is there. Okay, na? For example, 1 by 3 power n minus 1. This 3 goes to the side. 19,683 into 3. This 3 will go numerator as numerator. You see, it is 1 by 3 power n minus 1. The same. I am writing there also. Here 3, 6, 18, 1. 16, 3 5s 15, 1 8, 1 8 means 18, 3 6, again 1. So it is 1 by 6 5 6 1. Okay na? Right. Here it is 1 by how much? We will see. It is 3 power 8 just before we solve. 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 is 81 into 81. Just we solved. That is 81, 64. Okay na? 1, it is 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 4. So it is 3 power 8. That is 1 by 3 whole power 8. We can write it as 1 by 3 whole power 8. Okay na? Therefore, once again, 1 by 3 power n minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 3 power 8. Bases are equal. N minus 1 is equal to 8. N is equal to 9. Therefore, the ninth term is that number 1 by 19,683. Okay, na? Like that. Huh? Is it okay na? Yeah, just pause. Okay na? Now, sixth problem. For what values of x, the numbers given, what is given? Minus 2 by 7 comma x minus 7 by 2 are in GP. They are in GP. That implies it is T1, it is T2, it is T3. Okay na? Common ratio okay na, is T2 by T1 or T3 by T2 also. So here T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Both are same. So T2 square is equal to T1, T3. What is T2 square here, Nana? Here it is a cross multiplication. T2 is x square is equal to T1 is minus 2 by 7 minus 7 by 2. Okay na? 2, 2, 7, 7 cancels, minus into minus plus 1 only. So x is equal to root 1, that is plus or minus 1. So x value is plus or minus 1. Okay na? Like that. Here common ratio is R may be equal to T2 by T1 or T3 by T2 or T4 by T3 or Tn by Tn minus 1. Like that it is going on. By using that formula, we solve this one. Okay na? Next, seventh one. 7 to 10 are finding the sum of given numbers. Given GP is 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 and going to 20 terms. Okay na? Let S20 is equal to 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 dash dash the 20th term. 20 terms. T20 also we can write. This T1, T2, T3 dash dash T20, 20 terms. Okay na? Right, what is the formula? A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Okay na? Where A is equal, what is A? 0.15. What is R? T2 by T1. What is T2? 0.015 by 0.15. Here 0.15 means we make it as with 1000 we multiply. 0.015 into 1000. 0.15 into 1000. Why we are multiplying with 1000 means numerator denominator. Here after point there are 3 digits. So 3 zeros number, least number is 1000. In order to make it is a full number. And here it is with 100 it is it can be full number with 0. So it is 1 by 10. Okay, na? This is R. It is R. Okay, na? A is right. This is A. Now we substitute here. A is 0.15 and R is 1 by 10 power n minus 1 by 10 minus 1. 15, 0.15 means it may be 15 by 100. Will you agree? 2 digits are there. So this one. It is, I want to take its reverse. 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. Okay, na? By 1 minus 1 by 10. Like that we can write it. Both are interchanged, minus by minus plus. It is 15 by 1000. It is 1 minus 1 by 10 power n by, it is, you see, it is 10 minus 1, 9 by 10. Okay, na? So it goes up. Or otherwise 0, 0 cancel. Okay, na? 3 3s, 3 5s. Of 1 minus 1 by 10 power n by, it is, you see, it is 10 into, this is 3 then. 3 3s, 3 5s. Okay, na? 5 2s also. 5 2s. Don't confuse. So it is 1 by 2 is there. So at last we can, it is like this by 6. Okay, na? Or 1 by 6 of 1 minus 1 by 10 power n. Here is seen in A of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r also we can write it. And the next problem is seventh one. I mean 8th problem. Root 7 root of 8th one. You see, it is root 7 root of 21 root of, this is 3 root 7 comma n terms. Here we have to find the Sn. Let Sn is equal to root 7 plus root 21 plus 3 root 7 plus dash dash. It is Tn, nth term. No need to write nth term, not needed. But where A is equal to root 7 R is equal to T2 by T1. That is, T2 is root 21 by root 7. That root 21 can be written as root 7 into root 3 by root 7. Root 7 cancels, root 3. So R is equal to root 3. A is root 7. Yes, okay. But the formula is A of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. R 1 minus r also. Here A is root 7. R is root 3 power n minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Okay, na? Okay, na? It is root 7 of root 3 plus 1 into root 3 power n minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. In order to make the denominator as a rational, here irrational is there. So it is root 7 root 3 plus 1 of root 3 power n minus 1 by a plus b to a minus b, a square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1, 3 minus 1. It is root 7 by 2. Okay, na? of root 3 plus 1 of root 3 power n minus 1. Okay, Nana? Like that, we will solve the problems. 8 problems is over. Try to solve 9 and 10. Okay, Nana? Thank you.